Smart home ideas at a next level. Our homes are now so much more than just a simple roof over our heads. Today's top smart house trends demonstrate how integrated our homes have become in our daily lives. They write our shopping list, assist us with preparing and cooking dinner, and enable us to unwind after a stressful day. They keep us safe and sound, and they monitor our bodies to keep us healthy. And with technology advancing at such a rapid rate, they're getting even smarter to the next level. So, start setting up your smart home today and stay with us. We'll definitely help you out to get the next level of comfort. So, the first smart home idea we're going to discuss today is Smart Duvet. Are you tired of making your bed every morning over and over? Say thanks to the smart invention, because these bed making times are definitely over. Now, you can convert your existing bed and its bedding into a dual zone, climate controlled, self-making bed. Smart Duvet brings you the most cutting edge technology in the bedroom. A revolution that will transform the way you make beds for the rest of your life, and the ideal complement to your smart home. The dual zone climate control feature allows you to control the temperature on both sides of the bed. There will be no more bickering over the temperature of the room now. Wow! NanoLeaf light panels is another next level idea. Now, you can illuminate your life your way and create any design you want. You just have to connect the triangular panels in any pattern, abstract design, or preferred shape by using the Layout Assistant on the NanoLeaf app, or go through the Design Inspirations library. The rhythm module reacts in real time to all of your favorite music, i.e., detects sound and converts it to color and light to create a beautiful audio-visual display. Furthermore, you can count on the correct ambiance to set a perfect mood. Watch your on-screen activity reflected onto your lights in real time with Screen Mirror, thus elevating your gaming experience, and match mode is ideal for high-end movie nights and game sessions. Amazing, isn't it? Moving towards the next wonderful idea, Ampere Shower Power. Shower Power is a Bluetooth shower speaker powered by water. It derives 100% of its power from water, thanks to recovered ocean plastic and a hydroelectric generator, and provides literally unlimited hours of listening in the shower. A 2,500 mAh internal battery provides more than 20 hours of power, allowing you to listen to music even when the shower is turned off. Best product for you if you're fond of music. Let's now shed some light on Tero Device, a clever food recycler. Tero can easily and quickly transform your food waste into a rich and natural fertilizer that feeds your plants, lawn, and vegetable garden. Its drying and grinding technology reduces the volume of food waste by 90% in just a few hours. Odorless and quiet, the Tero is the most efficient in its category. A must-have appliance. Seriously. Nobi Smart Lamp is the next clever idea for a smart home. It provides peace of mind to people living alone and their families. This helpful gadget comes in form of a lamp and uses AI to automatically detect falls. This way, you receive help more quickly in the event of an accident. It helps people age in place and live independently for longer. This smart home tech also provides 24/7 monitoring and works without batteries, so you never have to worry about maintaining it. Finally, this smart home device also provides smart lighting, detects a fire, monitors air quality, recognizes break-ins, and even understands living patterns. It's a pretty comprehensive device when it comes to care. Wanna try? Let's now have a look at Aromeo Sense, an ambient smart home idea. It's a multi-sensory wellness device that combines aroma, light, and sound therapy. It changes and adapts throughout the day to create a varied ambiance in the same place. Nature and science inspired the pre-designed multi-sensory themes of sleep, relax, and focus. So, now you can transform your room into any environment and travel to faraway places, even without leaving your room. It can transport your senses to a magical place where you may sleep beneath the stars, contemplate by the sea, or get your creative juices flowing with a fresh woody aroma. Would be a lovely experience, don't you think? Let's now discuss Serena Smart Shades by Lutron, another ingenious smart home idea. These shades offer beauty, elegance, and quality at quite a reasonable cost. Serena shades come in insulating honeycomb and roller styles with a wide range of fabric colors and textures for complete design personalization. These ultra-quiet window coverings complement industry-leading battery performance and can be installed and operated without the use of wires. Shades can function in the perfect synchrony at a single click and may even be controlled from anywhere in the world through the Lutron app and Smart Bridge. Seems amazing. Samsung JETBOT 90 AI Plus is the last crazy idea to be discussed today. Samsung has just unveiled its latest AI-powered CE product, JETBOT 90 AI Plus, for the first time at CES 2021. It uses object recognition technology to recognize and classify objects and determine the best cleaning path. It also includes a separate camera that acts as a second pair of eyes at your home. You can use the camera to remotely monitor your household and pets when you connect your JETBOT 90 AI Plus to your smartphone via SmartThings Pet app. Cool! Let's call it a day now. So, do you want a smart home like this? Which next level ideas clicked your mind? Do share your thoughts with us in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to keep watching more of such amazing and crazy stuff. Time to sign off. Take care, friends. Goodbye.